Good afternoon, student. Welcome back in online class. Today I am going to teach class 7th math, first chapter, knowing our numbers. You have studied in previous class natural number and whole number. Natural number is the number which is starting from 1 and going to infinite, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These counting number is called natural number. Smallest natural number is 1, but you cannot write the largest natural number. If including 0 in the natural number, you can get the whole number. So whole number is starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. These are the whole number. And now in your syllabus there is given in 7th class integer. What is the integer? Combination of negative and positive whole number is called integer. It means it is starting from minus infinite to plus infinite. This is the integer. And some property of integer is given here. Largest whole number minus smallest whole number is equal to, difference is always coming positive. Smaller whole number minus a larger whole number is negative. All the whole number greater than negative. All the negative is smaller than 0. All the positive is greater than 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. And larger positive integer is smaller in the corresponding negatives. These are some property of integer. Now here is given, keeping this property in your mind, you can able to see the exercise 1.1. Here given, represent the following on the number line. Then you have studied the number line in the previous class. Again I tell you, when you writing 0 in the middle of the line, and right of 0 is all positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. and left of the 0 is negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. at the equal distance. This representation of the integer on the number line is called, number line. So see here, you writing 0 in middle, right of 0 is positive number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Left of 0 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. These are called number line. So first question given here, first A, represent plus 3 plus 5 on the number line. So draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. Left of 0 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. So 3 represent 3 on the number line. From 0 to 3, this is the 3, and from 3 to 5 step count to right side because plus is given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 3 plus 5, which is the 8, and represent 8 also on the number line. Now B given minus 3, minus 5. Draw the number line right here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 on the right side of 0, and left side of 0 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, etc. First you draw other number line because negative is more here. So here is increase the 9, increase the number line, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, etc. You represent first -3, then -3 is the left of 0. Now count 5 step to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer coming -8. So -3 -5 is -8. This is your answer. And now I going to teach next question. On one particular day, the temperature in the Roorkee at the 7 a.m. was 15 degrees centigrade, but by the midnight it fell down to 6 degrees centigrade. On the same day, the temperature in the Haridwar at the 7 a.m. was 10 degrees centigrade, and it fell down to the 6 degrees centigrade by midnight. Which fall in the temperature is greater and by how much? See, temperature fall in Roorkee. Question number second. Temperature fall in Roorkee is equal to 15 minus 15 to 6. It means that is fallen 9 degrees centigrade, and temperature fall in Haridwar is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 degrees centigrade. It means the temperature fall in the Haridwar is Roorkee is greatest by 9 degrees centigrade. Temperature fall in Roorkee is equal to 9 degree centigrade is asking which is greatest, that is the greater. And third question, represent the following as the appropriate sign. Above the ground positive, down of the ground level is negative, deposit money is positive, withdraw money is the negative. This way you can repeat the appropriate sign. So first A, height of 300 meter above the ground is plus 300 meter. B, deposit money that is plus rupees 5,000. C, withdraw money minus rupees 500. And now fourth question. Question number 4. Sum of two integer given and one of the integer given minus to find the other integer. So other integer is equal to sum of two integers minus one integer or given integer. So that is sum of two integer is given minus 13 minus other integer, first integer given minus 2, so minus 13 plus and minus becomes plus 2 is equal to minus 11. This is the other integer. And now see, fifth question is some round. Sudha goes 30 km toward the east from the point P. See, sixth question. This is the fixed point P. Sudha goes 30 km toward the east. Suppose this is the north, south, east and west. So 30 km goes to east, and then from point P goes to Q, and then from Q she move 50 km toward the west, and then she move 50 km toward the west. Asking here, east is positive distance and west is negative, so that is asking here, if the distance toward the east represented by the positive, distance toward the east, distance toward the east is positive and distance towards the west is negative. So that is asking here, how much will they represent the distance traveled toward west, by which integer we represent the final distance position from P. Then that is total distance is equal to 30 plus minus 50 is equal to 30 minus 50 is equal to minus 20 kilometer west from the position P. So answer is minus 20 kilometer west, 20 kilometer west from position P. Now, Welders had the profit of the 27 on the Monday, lost 10 rupees on the Tuesday, and the lost 5 rupees on the Wednesday. Find the net profit or loss at the end of 3 days. Question number 7th. C. Profit is equal to positive and loss represented by negative. So that is total amount, either that is profit or loss, that is profit is 27 rupees plus, and loss on Monday minus 10 plus, and loss on Tuesday is also minus 5. Total is 27 minus 10 minus 5 is equal to 27 minus 15 is equal to 12. Profit is positive coming, so that is profit is equal to rupees 12. And now see question number 8. Verify these questions. P minus Q is equal to P plus Q. Verify for the given question value of the P and Q, my plus 4 and Q is equal to minus 2. Put in the given question. Solution: P minus Q is equal to 4 minus Q is minus 2, that is 4 minus, in curly bracket small bracket remove, that is plus 2, and now 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 coming, and here is P plus Q is equal to P plus P value right here. P value is 4 plus minus 2 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to also coming 2. It is verified. So P minus Q is equal to P plus Q. Verified. Similarly, we can verify for the other questions. The other value are P and Q. B, P is equal to 3 and Q is equal to 11. So your verification question given P minus Q is equal to P plus Q. So P minus Q is equal to, put the value of P and Q, 3 minus, and here minus, put the minus sign before the Q, minus 11 coming, that is 3 plus 11 is equal to 14, and P plus Q, 3 plus 11 is also 14. Both sides are same, so it is verified. Now see next. C, P is equal to minus 243 and Q is equal to minus 540. So your verification question is P minus Q is equal to P value minus 243 minus, and in curly bracket put minus before the Q, and Q value is minus 540 put. Now that is minus 243 minus in curly bracket minus and minus plus 540 curly bracket close. Now minus 243 minus 540 is equal to 838 and 7, that is coming minus 783, and here P plus Q is equal to P value is minus 243 and Q value is minus 540 is equal to coming minus 783. Both sides are equal, so it is verified. Now see last D. P given 2000 minus 2005 and Q given minus 400. So verify P minus Q is equal to P value is minus 2005 minus, and in curly bracket write minus before Q, and Q value is minus 400. Minus Q, so P value is minus 2000 and then write minus, and before Q you write, this is the Q minus 400, and before the minus 400 you write minus sign, that becomes minus 2005 minus in curly bracket minus, and before two minus given, before the bracket also minus, inside the bracket also minus, so that is 400 plus, and before the 400 there are given minus sign, so that is minus 2005 minus 400 is equal to, add them, that is minus 2405. Simplify P plus Q. P value minus 2005 and minus Q value is given minus 400, that is minus 2405. Both are equal, so it is verified. And now there is given 9th question. Here is given find the value, simplification given. How can solve this? You add the positive together and then negative together and see which absolute value is greater. Then you subtract the smaller from greater numbers and put the value of the greater number, sign of the greater number. For example, see here 9th, find the value A minus 438 plus minus 504 minus 504 minus in curly bracket minus 7004, and here is minus 6062. Simplify this, that is minus 438 minus 504 plus 7004 minus 6062. Positive number is together, negative number together, that is 7001 positive only, 7004 only 1 positive, minus 438 minus 504 minus 6062 is equal to 7004 minus 2 and 2 4, 6 and 14, 4 right only, and then 6 and 0, 6, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 9 and 1, 10, 0 here, and then add here 0, 5 and 4, 9 and 1, 10, and here is 6 and 1, 7. This is also coming 704. Answer coming 0, difference coming 0. Answer is 0. Similarly, not see question is some mistake here given. See, here is given student, your question is given, see this much given, see this is question, your question is first given 9th A minus 438 plus minus 504 minus 704 given. This is simplify this only, minus 438 minus 504 plus 7004, that is 7004, 1 positive only, minus 438 minus 504, that is 7004 minus 8, this 12 2, and this is 3 and 1 4, and here is 9 and 9. This is coming 942, subtract from 704, that is the 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, here is 10, 10 minus 4 is 6, and here is 0, that is 0, and 6062 is your answer. And now you see B, 431 in common bracket minus 431 common bracket close minus 862, then add the simplified 431 plus 431 minus 862 is equal to, add this 1 1 2, and here is 6 and 4 4 8, and only one negative, 862. So 862 minus 862 is equal to 0. And next question is C was here, question number C, that is minus 475 minus in common bracket minus 375 plus 432 minus 500. Now simplify this, minus 475 plus 375 plus 432 minus 500. Positive add together, 375 positive, 432 also positive, minus 475 minus 500. Add this, 2 and 5 7, and 3 10, and 1 10, 0 right, and here is 7 and 1 8. 877, and this is minus number also add, that is 975. That is coming 975. This number is 300. This is a 400. Not this is the, this number is, see here, minus 475 and 375, 400 are all correct here. See, this is the number 375, 432. Now add this positive together and negative together. 5 here, C 7 and 3 and 7 10 and 7 and 1 8, and this is minus number 975. Now you subtract from 975, you subtract 807. Here is 15 8, and here is 6 coming 68, and 1 coming minus 168. This is your answer. And now one more question left, that question number D. Question number D, 11 1150 minus, in common bracket, minus 750 plus 400 minus 700 minus 1. Now that is 1150 plus 750 plus 400 minus 700 minus 1 is equal to, this is 0 0, right, 0 0 and 5 and 5 10 0, and now 7 and 11 and 11 12 and 12 and 1 13, and here is 1 2. Add here 1150 750 and 400. Now 0, and this is 10, this is the 13 3, and this is the 2, 2300 minus 701. Subtract this, 2300 minus 701, 9. Here is 10 10 minus 1 9. Here is 9 9. Here is 12 12 minus 7 5. This is coming 1599. This is all questions, boys. You copy it, and after completed this exercise chapter 1, you submit your notebook. Afternoon, thank you, boys. You complete your remaining questions whatever I left, and next day I teach multiplication of integer, and then I teach you division of integer. Okay, boys, thank you. Afternoon.